Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to get Arc browser on Windows. Now this is very simple. All you need to do is to go into any browser that you have at the moment, and then let's just go ahead and search for Arc browser right here. Now it's usually the first one right here. So go ahead and open this up. Now do bear in mind that for Windows, it is only available for Windows 11. So you need to make sure that you have a Windows 11 operating system and not the Windows 10 for you to be able to download this. Now go ahead and select download Arc for Windows 11 right here. And then let's go ahead and save that. Now this will go ahead and install the installer. So once that it is done, just go ahead and run it right there. And then it will go ahead and prepare your browser for you. It will go ahead and start downloading this. Now once that it has installed, it should open up the Arc application itself. And there you go. Now you'll need to go ahead and create an account. So say for example, and then if you want to go ahead and read through the terms and services, go ahead and do so. And then go ahead and create an account. If you have an account already, just go ahead and sign in. And then you should be able to see your Arc card right there. And then go ahead and get started. Now this will fully open up the Arc, and there you go. You have now successfully installed Arc browser on your Windows device. Well, I hope that you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.